Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of these AI tools during Navaratri's festival. Today we will learn a new tool called Rytr, R-Y-T-R. The home page is right in front of you. You can just register the way you have done it for other AI tools. It's a very simple process. So soon after registration, you will be taken to a window, something like this. Now what can you do here is you can actually write emails, you can write blogs, you can write cover letters, you can write your branding content. There are so many such options available. Let's explore one by one. You can choose the language. There are so many languages which are available, and the tone also can be selected. If you want to invite someone as a guest, you can be very convincing. And if you want to send an appreciating letter to your students or your subordinates, you can choose the appreciative tone. Or if you really want to send some deadlines and asking for some submission from your colleagues or from students, you can be assertive. So you will say, or if you really want to convince someone to come to your college to give a talk, you can be selecting the convincing tone. Now, there are so many use cases available here. As I mentioned earlier, blog section writing or business ideas, call to action, copywriting, cover letter, email, or so many things. Even Facebook post can be generated. We will choose an option called email. Now, what are the key points? So what you can do is you can write the key point like request to an expert to deliver a talk on say role of Gen AI on role of Gen AI in engineering education. Okay, so this is the content. This content can be anything. Since I am writing an email requesting someone to give a talk, so this can be my key point, and there are multiple options under variants. The writer will generate multiple variants based on your choice. So today I would like to choose 2 variants option, and the creativity can be either none, low, medium, high, or anything. So I will choose an optimal creativity, and you press this button write, and you wait for the write to write for you. Yeah, so here it goes. You have received now 2 variants of the same email. Look at the subject. It is beautifully written, invitation to speak on the role of Gen AI in engineering education. You can just write the expert's name here. So you can write all these options, select all these options. Say you can write your name, you can write your position, organization, and this is the second variant. And I was talking about options, right? So for example, if you have some points, anyway, here in this the email there is no such bulleted points, but if you have some points like Word, you have all the options to write bullets. You can number them, or if you really want to bold them like this, you can do a lot of other things using this writer. You can also try your hands with some business ideas, or you can also check out on the blog idea, or you can also write a blog section. If you say blog section, and if you write what is the content that you want to write here, you can also give some keywords and select variants, and the write will write for you. Hope you have liked this content. Thank you for watching. Wait for the 3rd edition of the Rytr special. Let's see you tomorrow. Thank you.